Alright, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to view and update existing appointments. Very simple and basic. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started by selecting the Appointments tab from the side menu. We can select any appointment, view repair, so we could view all the details from that appointment quickly. If you go to a different appointment, so this appointment a customer had requested it, so we're going to approve it. We're going to assign the time to it. If we have to make any changes, we can make any changes and accept. Create a new appointment is very simple. Just select the customer. We're going to add a date to it, a time. We're going to add a device to that appointment. Appointment type. So let's just select a software update for this example. And in notes, we're just going to put install iOS 12.1. Take about 30 minutes or less. And submit. That was it. So there we basically saw how we could create an appointment, view an appointment, and update it. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to go to the App Store and you can download RepairSpots and you can start your free 30-day trial. You can also go to our social media and view all the content that we have there to offer. We're always posting updates on new releases and new features. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@repairspots.com. Thanks for your time.